Hello, it's Laura Bray with Sulky, and I'm sharing my top tips for teaching your child the art of hand embroidery. In our last video, I went over the supplies you need to put a basic embroidery kit together. In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to get PDF patterns onto fabric. For this series, I've provided you with my original Leo the Lion embroidery pattern. It's an easy pattern to stitch and is a perfect project for a beginner. To transfer the pattern onto your fabric, you need to have a computer, a printer, stick and stitch, and an 8x8" piece of fabric. I'm using a cotton linen. First, you load the stick and stitch into your printer, making sure it's loaded so that the fabric side will be printed on. Once you have the pattern printed, cut out the lion, leaving a small amount of space around the pattern. You peel the backing off and place the pattern piece in the center of your fabric, smoothing it down. Your child will now be able to stitch over the stick and stitch. Once your child is done stitching, they can simply rinse their embroidery piece with warm water and the paper fabric will dissolve. Now it's time to stitch.